To the principal, school name, subject, application for sick leave. Respected sir, ma'am, I beg to say that I am suffering from fever and illness. Therefore, I am unable to attend school. Kindly grant me leave for 2 days from dash to dash. I shall be very thankful to you. Yours obediently, name, class, roll number, date. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe our channel for more new videos.